Hi friends, let me show you this new dog training collar that I received for viewing purposes. You get a remote to send the instructions to the collar for the dog. Okay. You can have control two different collars with one remote. Okay. Here is the actual collar. You can cut it to fit the size of your dog's neck. As you can see, it has a reflecting green or yellow color. Recharge both units with the provided micro USB cord with two ports, two cables, one cable with two connectors to charge both units at the same time. You get a testing accessory and different kind of longer or shorter points depending on your dog's hair length. Okay. You get the user manual, and of course, this kind of equipment requires a disciplined training process. Okay. You can't suppose that you are going to install the collar to your dog and get immediate results. Okay. You really need to train your pet. You get all the support to do the training. Okay. But you really have to do it. Okay. Now we turn on the collar. Okay. You see, this is the beeping signal. This is vibration. And if you want to test the shocking function, you can use this. The bulb turned on. That means it's doing the shocking function. Okay, see, there it is. Okay, perfect. So you can change the intensity of either the beeper, the vibration, or the shocking function. You can lock the transmitter so you don't transmit something that you don't want. Okay. You can change the beeping sound. You can even train your dog to understand different kinds of beepings. And the vibration, you can change the strength of the vibration also. Of course, you can change the strength of the shocking function also. Okay? Up to the signal can get up to 500 meters, okay? So you can really train your dog for long distances. Let me show you how it fits in a small dog. Of course, the size of the collar is big for baby, but you can get a sense, oh, it's not that big. There it is. You can see the collar will be in the neck, okay? And you will be able to send the signals to the dog like that. Okay, of course, it's the first time she uses it, so she doesn't understand the signals. But following the user manual, you will be able to train your dog properly and, have him or her obeying and observing the conduct that you want them to observe. Okay, so if you want to train your dog, this is a great option to do it. Thank you.